What's going on YouTube? Welcome to the channel, Mitchy boy here. Just thought I'd do a video about the screen that I just burned. It's my best attempt yet. There was a little bit that washed out beside the arm there, but apart from that it's pretty good. And the leg part, like it just cuts off at the side of the leg, on both sides actually, and that's just because I didn't spread the emulsion out enough. Like that's where the edge is anyway. So yeah, I'll just tape that up probably. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. That's like, I don't know how many attempts so far. I've just been increasing the exposure time each attempt, and that one there was for 19 minutes. I think I'm going to do 20 next time because it still did wash out a little bit, but it wasn't much. So yeah. But yeah, I'm pretty happy. Probably order some ink sometime and start practicing on some fabric or something. Maybe get some second-hand t-shirts or something to start off with, just to practice. But yeah, but just thought I'd share that with you guys. Yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more, and see you guys later.